Uh, it's gonna be a pretty limited back test just because a lot of the data I'm not gonna have, so I'm not gonna be able to see ES for the SMTs or any of that. So it's gonna be a little scuffed, but I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna do this because I literally cannot. It's literally do or die at this point, you know, low key. So, it's gonna be hard. No SMTs, no any of that, but whatever. Uh, yeah, that's the plan anyway, so it will be a little quiet, just something that's gonna, I have to do this. So yeah, let's go ahead. Shift forward a few bars. Need to get right to 630. It's actually a very good day. This is NFP, so is this 630? Alright. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? I have a highs here. I have a level right below it. See if we can find a way to sweep data high or data low before reversing. It's gonna be the first thing I'm looking at. Okay. If there was a way to just show, it would be so great. Okay, we have our sweep at a level. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see if we can close below this gap right here. It actually works out because we have a level right here too at 23,858. Do we inverse this? Boom. Alright, so here is our buy right here. If I just click buy, does it enter me in? At current price, do you know? Oh, it does. Alright, and let's put our stop loss at the lows. And our TP, we have equal highs right here. Let's go for all the way to the top. Data highs is going to be full TP. And let's see how this plays out. So this first trade is going to be a long. Basically what we have here, we have sweep of data lows. We have an 1 minute inversion right here. We have a level. I'm going to write that down on my confluences. We have sweep of data lows. I wonder if London got taken here too. Yeah, we also took out London lows. Data lows plus London lows. Data plus London lows. We have 1 minute inversion. And we also have a 23,859 break. Again, this is very limited. I wish I could change this time frame chart, but this is what we'll have to make do with. Actually, I wonder what happens if I change this hour. Oh, it still shows. Perfect. Oh, it played it out. Wait, why did it do that? Get back to the 1 minute. That's weird. Okay. Maybe we lose this one. Let's play it. Inst. What is that? It's like. How do I check the minus 520? That's crazy. Oh my god. I don't remember this day at all. Literally next trade I would have had a short right here. Which is crazy, but we're not worried about break and retest right now. Looking at inversions. Damn. How do I not remember this day? Another inversion, but I don't know if I want shorts. I just wish I could take my bias with it. That's the thing that sucks. You know? Because like based off this I have another short here, but I don't know. We have sweep of previous day lows. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep playing. It just keeps going. How do I not remember this day? That's my question. Like, surely market was bullish as hell. I really don't. Consolidating again. Boom. We just cleared this. Let's see the next candle. I think there's a gap right here. Right here. Holy crap, the break and retest on this day went crazy. I just don't know how I don't remember this day. That's the crazy part. Bunch of chop. Alright, so we just inversed here. I'm gonna take a short off of a break and then a 1 minute inversion. It's a lot of sell side. Got a similar trade right here. Boom. This is where the candle closed. Or I can actually just... Is there any liquidity targets below? No. Alright, let's say we sell here. RTP. Oh my god. That's deep. Let's see. If I were to put this here and I put stop loss above, that would barely make a 1-to-1. Oh my god, we're dead. Damn. It's cooked. Alright, I think I need more. Yes sir, late night back test, yeah. I woke up and I said I need to fucking do this because it's the only way I'm gonna fix my mental. Oh, I just don't like, what up Malcolm? I just don't like how I don't have everything I would normally have. Like I would usually have the ES charts too. I have the ES chart, like if I were to, it would be on September 8th. So maybe I just do that. Maybe I just start this from September 8th because this is a little troll. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. It'd be more accurate. Get out of replay. Yes. And then zip through all this. I think this is September 8th. Here we go. I do have the ES chart on my left, so I'm not completely blind. I'll try to not have it blocked either. Alright, so we'll go to market open. Oh my god, is this market open? Gyat. And then I'm assuming this candle is 6:31. Am I on the same date? Monday, September 29, 30, 31. Okay. So it's gonna suck because I have to literally play it like candle by candle on both screens, but you know, whatever. So far, way above London highs, rejecting at a level. Nothing. So just make sure I'm still doing one 632 and 632. Perfect. Yeah, literally. These candles are wild, dude. And I feel like September was like my worst month, so it's like, where did I go wrong? Like somewhere in here, I messed up so bad. Okay. Currently SMTs with ES and Q is bullish as all. Dude, these feel like different days, I'm not gonna lie. September 36, 34, 35, 36, but now they're both going up. Okay, so maybe I'm on the right day. ES is about to approach previous all-time highs. 2 candles here, and then a big candle out of nowhere. What? We have this inversion. I mean, this short here would be insane. Like, actually, it's only 30 points. Okay, so what do we have here? SMTs just swept liquidity here. Where is this? Previous day, not yet previous day high, but we did close. Candle's about to come back down. 30-point risk. This is a pretty deep drive. But bearish SMTs with ES. ES also swept previous day high. Yeah, I would take this. So let's put in a sell order. Stop loss at the highs. Holy fuck. Damn. I thought it was only 30. And what's my TP at these lows at the bottom? Oh, these lows at the bottom. Break evens here. Full target is down here at this wick at London. Now this seems wild. Alright, let's go candle by candle. There's one. There's one. ES has made a new low at this point. Oh my god. Oh, that's not good. Where'd I go wrong? Oh my. Alright, yeah, let's just get this trade through. Oh. Oh my god. Yo, that is crazy edging. I would not be able to sit through this. Yeah. All right, first loss. Maybe we have the wrong idea of an SMT. Minus 860. So this is minus 860. This was a short. Oh no, this is don't have that. What did we have? I guess I should have wrote down. We had 1 minute inversion, min inversion, sweep of London previous day highs. Previous. Oh, it was not previous day highs. Sweep of London highs. Sweep of London highs. And this was lower. I mean, I guess the short would have made more sense on ES. So where am I on here? That is 649. I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which is crazy because ES came back down, but okay, let's chill. Let's keep going. Down. Up. I don't know, I wish I had the 5-minute chart too. I feel like that would actually like make a difference. And higher we go. I guess I could have played this inversion too, but I would have got kicked out right here. Oh no, this one is good. Or like the 2-minute chart or something. I don't know. Like, I feel like there's gotta be a 2-minute right here that I would have seen. Right? 6, 7. Whatever. We just keep going with what we have. Now it's not looking so good. I don't have any gaps here. Like nothing. I feel like if I had the 2-minute chart. So many shoulda, woulda, couldas. Alright, let me expand this. I could technically get the 2-minute chart up. I just have to, it's just a little more work. Let me see. August, September, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Monday. This is Tuesday. This is Monday. Yeah. Right here is a 2-minute. Right here is a 2-minute inversion. Oh my god, select bar. Let's go back. Go next. Inverse it. Take a long entry here. Stop loss. Honestly, put it down here at right below our level, and then TPs back at the highs. Seems like a lot. Break even will probably be this wick right here. Alright. Move this to break even. Crashing down. Oh, it's gonna edge it, huh? There we go. That one's 955. 955. We took a long. We have a 2-min inversion. Sweep of internal and bounce off 24043. Oh, 732. Which is crazy. That was the ES sweep. So that was SMT with ES too. Bullish SMT ES. In accordance to plan, yes. So I basically wiped out our first. I mean, if I was on my actual accounts, I'd be half sized or even less, honestly, with these type of stop losses. And then we're at 32, so let's get to 32 on this chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 32. I mean, after this, I'd be done. But for the sake of back testing, let's just keep going. I usually trade till 9 o'clock, so. It's easy to get overconfident. Yeah, I know. That's why it's like, it's so difficult for me whenever I'm back testing, because like I know this isn't like representative of trading at all. Like there's no way I have 3 minutes to piece everything together in a live trade, so it's like, but at least it's like I know what I'm looking for, you know? I guess the idea is more so to just, you know, get the data behind whether or not it works, but again, yeah, very difficult. $42. And that's really why I don't like back testing. It's just like what is this? In a sense, it's, I mean, it's like, it's so difficult to like have it be accurate. This would have been a great break and retest of the orb though, low key. Now we're holding 2414. Alright, here's 50. Where is this rate? 50. Nope, no inversions or anything. And I'll get this other chart up. Dude, I'm literally like jumping around like 6 charts right now. It's crazy. Looking like a little head and shoulder. Orb is about all I do. I back tested and it went pretty well. Yeah, I love the orb. It's like one of my 2 strategies. It's just the orb is a little easier, and I've back tested it and I know it works. I just be a little troll sometimes, you know. 58 1. I just learned how to sit up all week and night doing it. Hey, that's lit. The orb is a great one. I'm not even gonna cap. The orb is one hell of a strategy. And I like that the orb applies on every session. You just have to learn how to use it. Or adapt to like the type of what do I call it? The type of, or like the volume for those sessions. This is break, little head and shoulders, break and retest. No inversions for me though. The next gap that we have is this one right here. Oh shit. Is this one. I just don't think there's room higher. We just inverse this one right here. I don't know if I'd take this trade. I scalp with 2-to-1 risk reward using engulfing candles and pyramids. That backtesting went a little too up because I added to my winners. Oh, that's valid. So I typically don't add to my winners, so just rip. Never in it long enough to hold to winners. It's not 1 minute inversion, but there's no basis for it except the bounce off levels, so I wouldn't take that. Approaching 9. We have another inverse. Failed break of the top, but there we go. There we go. Can we get this inversion right here though? Not bad. Back up it goes. Yo, backtesting takes a while. This wouldn't be bad. We just swept internals. Inverse this 1 minute. What would this risk be? Bouncing off of a 2 minute. 20 to 20. This would be a 1-to-1. 827. No, I think I would be way out by now. Let's just see if it would have played out. Looking good. Oh, there we go. This is 20.5. Half is 10. 410. Longs. And this is a bounce off 2 min. 1 min inversion. Bounce off 24097. I don't know if I'll get through September, but I mean it might go faster. Just because oh shit. Yeah, 847. Damn. This is way too close to my cutoff. I'm usually done trading at 9, so yeah, and then it goes back up. Awesome. And that's the day. 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loser. Not bad, not bad. Fair value gap support is pretty lit. Let's make this 5x and let's just play it till end of day, I guess. We're gonna go down. Damn. So this is moving too slow. Is following what you're doing now in terms of investing a good way to make money, or just looking at a graph with nothing on it? This is more for day trading than anything. I wouldn't call this like good for investing, but this is good for developing like day trading strategies. But this graph is the real live data of what happened on September 8th. So if you're like trying to develop a strategy for day trading, this is kind of how you do it. Yeah, I'm just getting the rest of the charts at the same, oh shit, okay. Alright, I'm there on ES. This is 5 p.m. Goddamn. In terms of long-term and like true investing, I would not be doing this, and that's based off like a whole nother criteria of things. Then we just let overnight play out. Overnight session goes crazy sometimes. Cut it off around here. Damn. Damn. Then I'll click to 630. Alright, market open. Oh my god. What the? What the? Alright, let's look. Market open. We have London low or Asia pre-market, and Asia loads already got swept. On ES, London highs untested, so this is gonna be a little harder. But let's do the same thing. Let's look for 1 minute, 2 minute inversion, sweep of liquidity. See how this goes. Gotta do that orb. I know, dude. It'd be so easy if I just played the orb everywhere. Alright, look at it go. God damn. Yeah, so I get my charts up to speed when like I see like an interesting thing happen, since I'm going candle by candle. Oh my god. Dude, this is nasty. This is nasty, dude. Oh my, how big are these candles? 15. What time am I at? 42. 42, still nothing, and then I'll get ES back up to track. Bro, if I was trading this kind of price action, my goodness. Oh wait, I was. Nasty. Oh my god. No fair value gaps or anything. It's also possible that there's days where there's just no trades, you know. Orb is set. Oh my goodness. Alright, looks like we're pushing lows. Can we sweep pre-market? Currently notable gaps right here. Alright, we're about to sweep lows. We're at 654. Let's get the rest of the charts on track. Maybe I should just trade the orb. Maybe I'm trying to do too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 52. 54. It's also a 2-minute gap. Alright. So yeah, there was this inversion too, but your stops are a little weird for that one. See if we sweep the lows here. No, we don't. Does ES sweep the lows here? What is this? 56. No, we do not. I mean, bounce off level. Let's see if we inverse this. ES inversed this candle right here. So, oh. Alright. 56, which is where we're at. 2-minute inversion. Couldn't sweep the lows. We did sweep internal. Aiming back for this high up here. Let's try it. Let's try it. I think I would just place it so once it closes, market entry. What would this look like? Break even at 21, full target at 30, and our stops are right about 32. No, this is horribly boring. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, yeah. That's good to know. So we didn't really sweep pre, so I feel like it would have made more sense to just wait for the one that hit the swept the actual low. This didn't sweep anything yet. Or fair you go, I got retesting gold and just scalp with 2 to 1 if there's a noticeable change in order flow. Yeah. Yeah, but I want to test this strategy out, which is why I'm doing it. So now that we did sweep liquidity, I'm curious to see what happens. So this one was 27.75. What is that? 27.75 times 20. This is a 555. This was a long sweep of internal bounce off 24.045. 2-minute inversion. Alright, but yeah, this one would have made way more sense. This one right here. But whatever, it is what it is. How long are you streaming for? Until I get tired, honestly. We'll see how many of these I can run through. Alright, where am I? 701. So I'll probably finish like a week or 2 of back testing and then see where it goes. Break and retest? Nope. I'm at like 7 something. Damn, that was a huge. Oh, this is probably a news candle, huh? Yeah, we had a 7 a.m. news candle. Alright, never mind, scratch that. I wouldn't trade with news 1 minute away. We're a few minutes away. Which is crazy, but yeah. No, to make a candle like this, definitely this candle. I can check. Oh, I guess I can check. I'll have Forex Factory. And then, what is this? September 9? Apply. Just kidding, it wasn't news. What? Alright, never mind, that's back. Let's put that back on the board. That's crazy, that's a massive candle. This new 4-hour. Sweep of internal bounce off 24.045. 2-minute inversion. It's crazy. I would have got cooked. Oh wait, I did get cooked this month. Makes sense. Makes fucking sense. 708. And no gaps or anything, dude. That's wild. And it just goes right to the top. Insane, dude. Watch, this was a 30-second gap. Closed. I don't even know, dude. Let's see what ES did here. What time is this? 7:15. Alright, so this was a sweep of pre-market highs for ES. What time is this? 7:15. And then get this up to schedule. 6834. Yeah, a little too crazy. Alright, so here's the next trade. Inversion right here. Get rid of this. Inversion of 1 minute, and then we have short positions, sell, stop loss, top of the range, and then TP back to the bottom, low of day. And this is from a ES sweep of the highs, so we have bearish SMTs right here. So we have a short, we have bearish SMT, rejection off of 24097, 1 minute inversion. Let's see what happens. We're getting in at a pretty bad price, I think. Alright, we go break even here. We are trading mentors and teachers. One of them is a guy on YouTube. His name was Sempo. The Sempo trader. He's the one that kind of got me into like a little bit more of the ICT concepts. And then the other one is PB Trading. PB Trading. I'm sorry, my memory sucks. Do I remember you from Discord? Is your Discord name the same? High profile? You ever messaged me? Oh, you did! Saving the chat so you know who the spammers are. Dude, it's been a minute, dude. That was in February. Holy shit, you're an OG. But you never said anything in the chat. Unless you did. High profile. Damn, not even the Discord. No, you are. But yeah. GH. I see you. It's been a minute. It's been a hot minute. Oh shit, why'd you take a break? There we go. There's the sweep. Ain't no way. Hello? Trading panel? Trade analysis. List of trades. There we go. What in the fuck? Alright, this shit's whack. I'm no longer using that. I'm no longer using that. $46.5 is 920. 930. Why'd you take a break, man? Market just been too crazy or what? Oh man. Oh man. Damn, she just keeps going and going. This would have been a great orb retest, right? 15-minute, boom, break below, and then just drive. So I was trying to find, couldn't be found. The charts had to be found in who I was, and that's fucking valid. That's the most valid shit I've heard all fucking day, dude. And it's not even a new day. Like that's straight up. That's just straight facts right there. I feel you. I feel you. You see what happened to me today? Oh man. I got fucking absolutely clapped. All because I didn't want to fucking wait. What a fucking joke. Is this when we usually just chop? Oh, oh. Alright, this could get interesting around here. Actually, 754. It's literally, you could have the best strategy in the world, and if you're not fucking disciplined or you don't have fucking emotional control, all that strategy for nothing. It just goes down the fucking drain because it's like, oh, I wanted more, or fucking I couldn't wait 10 more minutes. So I fucking feel that 1.5, dude. It looks like I'm balding. What the fuck? It looks like I'm balding. Oh no. Oh no. Hide it, hide it, hide it. Yeah, I mean, for things like some of my strategies, especially with my levels, a lot of them I'll see shit like this where it's like I have a 1-minute gap right here, right? And I'll be bouncing off a level, bouncing off another level, inversion, and I'll literally just take like longs from like here, stop loss at the swing low, and then just take to the level. Like shit like this is like so good. And it's like, I don't know why I don't take them more often, but I guess I don't have any data on it. But I see it happen a lot where I have an inversion and I just break a level and I just go straight to it. No way by choice? Or the other one? Hopefully by choice. Let me get rid of this. I need my hair. I don't think I could go bald. I think I look a fool. Oh, what time is this? 8:03. That's good. That's good. I know some people can pull it off, man. Some people can pull off the bald look like fucking Johnny Sins, bro. Vegeta hairline? Oh no. Oh no. That's crazy. I think I might too if I was in that position, honestly. Damn, this looks good. This is a 2-minute inversion. No, I forever stand Johnny Sins, one of the best looking bald dudes ever. On. Not even joking. 806. Nothing, didn't sweep nothing, we're just rejecting off a level, pivot. I don't know, seems low probability. And then we just chop for the rest of the day. Damn, now this one on the other hand is interesting. Oh no, it's too close to my cutoff time. Way too close to my cutoff time, but shorts here. Projecting off a major level, same level as earlier. Let's see if it would've, yeah. Too close to my 9 a.m. cutoff time, alright. Let's get this to the next day, and then... Oh, this is a news day. Looks like Wednesday, either CPI or PPI. Looks like PPI. Yeah, 6:30. Yeah, I'll probably finish this week and then finish maybe next week, and then I'll call it a day at that. It's midnight for me. I'm tired. Probably finish this week. And then I'll probably try to do this some more tomorrow, and then I have some shit that I gotta work on, so... yeah. I still have accounts with Alpha, I have accounts with Tradeify, I have accounts with Take Profit, and I have accounts with Trade Day. So it's not like I don't have any accounts, but today definitely fucking burned. So, yeah. That looks like a PPI candle. It looks like the PPI candle that I full ported. Alright, let's see. Yacht? What the? 57 points, okay. Look at that. What in the world is that? Alright. Oh, missed it. I would need to see a sweep of something on a big news candle like this. Damn, why is it lagging? Alright, now we have our sweep. Let's get the data up to speed. 1, 2, 3. 8. Whoa. Yes, looking bullish as a motherfuck. Let's see what happens. Alright, here's that. Come back down. Is that an inversion? Could be. 640, and I'm at 43. Could be a 5-minute. Dude, this mix is fucking insane. Alright, if this is this has gotta be an inversion candle right here. Alright, here's interesting. Sweep here. Let's get the other charts caught up. So we're at 53. 52. Not a 2-minute inversion. And then we're at 53. ES still hasn't tapped either. Hasn't even made lows yet, so that's not good. Seems a little low probability. But NQ swept it, so ES doesn't have to if they're gonna be on the way back up. Let's try it. Long position here. Stops at the low around 40 points. And then targeting data highs. That seems crazy. Break evens at 37. Probably just going for a 62. A little over 1-to-1. Let's see what happens. Play it through. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, I'd be clenching my cheeks right now, bro. On this chair, I'd be clenching. Almost break. Oh, I think no, that's not break even. That's break even. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, dude, I would be fucking clenching my ass right now. What the fuck? What the fuck? Looks good though. Oh no. Damn, that's a long hold. Oh, I'm break even here. I mean, would this be? It'd be a 1-to-1, right? 37. Yeah, I'd probably take that 1-to-1 right here. But let's see what happens. God damn. Oh my god. Yeah. 37.5. Tomorrow. Long. Sweep. Data lows. Pre-market lows too? No, not quite. So data lows, target, internal liquidity, bounce off 24,151. And it is 8:21. And that I'd probably call it for the day there with this type of price action. Yeah. And that's the day. One trade on the day, one long. And on to the next day. Yeah, I'll probably finish this week and then call it a day. Very interesting. Very, very interesting price action. This would have been CPI day. Yeah, I think it looks like I need to sweep something for this strategy to work. And now we approach CPI. Right here, bang. Oh my god. Alright, now we just swept data highs. We have another one up here. Damn, this is gonna be a tough day to trade. Alright, here's New York Open candle. A little bit of chop, never hurt. Oh, look at that. Here's where ES went. One, two, three, four. Another thing to note here is previous day high was not swept yet, so very interesting. We have two draws on liquidity, one down here and one up there. We rejected at a pretty strong level earlier though. I feel like if we were gonna sweep it, we would have swept it down here. Alright, here's that. Where am I? I'm at 46. We have this little inversion right here. There's so much liquidity at the top. What's this drawdown? 40. See where ES went. This is 46. ES also. It'd be hard because there's 2 draws of liquidity right now. Yeah. Oh, no, get me the fuck out of that. We'll just take our long. Here, I mean, we have good support in the sense that... Hello? Hello? 40. We aim for data highs? That seems crazy. All the way up here, 2 to 1. Oh, it's actually not even that much. Yeah, we have data highs at next. Alright, so this one, long position, we are at the 50, pretty much 50% data candle, bounce off 24,151 and 1 minute inversion. And let's see how this plays out. BE is gonna be right here at the top. Choppy, alright, here's BE. Oh, it's BE. Damn, that's crazy. Damn, I would've got BE'd by a tick. Oh, you hate to see it. You hate to see it. What was this? Locked in 50. Honestly, I probably would have taken 50, but that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, let's just go BE. 0. Damn, that sucks. What the fuck? That's literally 2 ticks. But I think I would have called it here. That would have been a long ass trade. That would have been what? How many bars? Yeah, that would have been almost an hour and a half. Yeah. Damn, the rest of the day is trash. I know, that's actually crazy. And then this is Thursday, right? So yeah, we'll go to Friday now. That's unlucky. It's actually really unlucky. That might have tilted me, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. And then I'll get ES up. Actually, it was a much cleaner trade on ES. Yeah, this will be my last one since this is about to end. And then we'll see. We'll see the results for that week. I mean, the thing is, like, if I was in a live trailing or like a trailing drawdown account, it would have been cooked. I think that's the one thing. Like, on 50K accounts, if I was in side straight, like these accounts would have got smashed. No more momentum trades. Alright, here's New York Open. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright. Sweep of something. Nothing really. London lows is really far away. There's no inversions here. Might be a 2-minute. $42. Nope. Here's the orb. It's 48. That's alright. 48. Look at that. It looks like I'm ready for a bullish breakout, so. Oh, shit. Oops. Oops. 59 all the way to 7 basically. But now we have a big 2-minute gap right here. Let's see what we do with this. Damn! News? This is for sure. Oh, usually I think University of Michigan comes right after this. Whoa. That's a crazy one. Alright, so let's see. 714. Alright, we just barely missed. Let's get ES on board too. 715. At this point, ES has already swept the highs. So we're at a bearish SMT with ES. Interesting, interesting. I just don't know if I'd take this. My risk would be really high. My risk would be, yeah, I don't know. I gotta just wait, honestly. I think I would have been more comfortable if Q, but it's bearish SMT. Don't know what I'd do, so we just keep playing. But now if we inverse this, that would be crazy. Oh. Okay, let's catch this up. 718. So is this? If we were to take a long position here, our stops are still insane, dude. I guess it's tighter. 25 points is tighter. I set you my trade on facts and my current account on top to track on trades. Ooh, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Do I even have a target for this though? Previous all-time highs? Or this could have been all-time highs at the time. What would that be? 1-to-1? I think that this would be worth. Sent on Discord. I'll take a look. Bounce off VWAP. 1 minute inversion right here. 2 minute inversion. So I guess the 2 minute goes down to here. Alright, let's, yeah. So here's another long. Bounce off 24 to 84. 2 minute inversion. Prev or all-time high. Tap. BE's the top. Nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. There we go. 27 is 540. Then do we go higher? Oh, look at that grind higher. This would have been the orb play too. Bounce off. Literally bouncing right off the 15-minute orb. That's very good. Very, very good. Oh. Might have zooted a little too far. 808. Nothing really. It's more like a break and retest than anything. Oh. Another 1 minute inversion? Even higher? No. Yeah, you could fail. And then chop for the rest of the day? Yeah. And that would have concluded my trading day. Not bad. This would have been a 2K week if I was trading a mini, which I probably wouldn't. Probably be sticking to like 4 or 5 micros, so half that. Which wouldn't be bad. Honestly, pretty good. The things that were scary is just the fucking massive loss to start the week. It might have made a difference in how I traded those accounts, so yeah. That's gonna be it for me. Thank you guys for joining today. I'll probably try to do stream tomorrow for probably 2 hours to get the rest of September back tested. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for coming. Hope y'all learned something. And yeah, if you guys want to support the channel, you already know all my affiliate links are right here. Right here, if you guys want to use them, it'll directly support the channel. Appreciate y'all. Have a good night. Get some rest, folks. We come back tomorrow. Later, high profile. I'll probably message you on Discord.